Okay. Today we're doing a review on the Sunkong fidget spinner, copper, with the 606 ceramic and stainless steel outer bearing. It's a pretty good spinner. The bearings, I don't really care for the bearings that much. They have quite a bit of play in them. You know, that's a lot of wobble right there. But they spin pretty good. Spins really good. I think the ceramic balls wear down from spinning. I wouldn't recommend spinning with an air compressor or nothing. I think that would wear it right out. Just my personal thought on that. But thinking about getting a fully ceramic bearing. The outside is ceramic and the balls are ceramic. And the balls are spaced out so it wouldn't have all that play there. But it's quite a bit smaller than the cheap fidget spinners that you get at convenience stores or other places. I mean, that's a full finger length there. This one's like half. Feels really good when you spin it, you know. There's plenty of clearance, you know, right here. Plenty of clearance when you spin it and stuff. But this, it does have a lot of play in it compared to the cheapos. You know, this don't have no play. A little bit, actually. Just a little. That's nice and quiet. So we'll put this together here real quick. And we'll spin her up. So you just get it kind of tight there. And then crank it on with your fingers best you can. Now, that's on there pretty tight. I mean, it curled my fingernail right up when I tightened that. But that's how I tighten it. That's how we get down. And brass buttons. The buttons are pretty small. If you do a two-handed spin and try to spin it really, really fast, you know, then it slips out of my hands if I'm really trying to spin it hard. But for regular spinning, you know, one-handed, it works pretty good. A lot of clearance there compared to the cheap ones, you know. Those, sometimes it hits, you know, when you go to spin it. But this is nice and small. Has a really, really good weight to it. It's nice and heavy. I like the heavy one. And it is all copper. Seems like it's nice and heavy. It's not just copper coated, I don't think. I think it is pure copper. Just from the look of it. And I've done it up, you know, and the edges are nice and smooth. But you could see the play. All kinds of play. All kinds of play. And it has gotten worse. It was about half of that when I got it. That's why I think the ceramic balls wear down. But it spins really good. it will spin for 5 to 6 minutes if you really spin it up, two-handed, you know. Hold it down and push down on it. Spin it really hard, but I mean, even harder than that. You gotta really spin that thing up to get 6 minutes. Let's see if I could do it real quick. Trying to hold my phone. Let me set it down. He's spinning now. Got my little cheapos. Oh, I just touched it. Shoot. My wife's. I mean, these are nice and quiet compared to this sunkong. These are super quiet. Yeah, see, it hits my finger. They're so big. Well, that'll spin for at least 3 to 5 minutes. You can get better spins on it and get 5, 6 minutes if you really spin it up. When I first got it, I timed it and I got a 6-minute spin. But I really cranked on it and had to spin it hard. So, it spins really good. Just regular spinning. It's pretty quiet. Not that loud. When you set it down, it's a little louder. Set it on something, on a surface. But it's a lot smaller. Nice to carry around. Little quick flicks, you know. And then we got the cheap one. Whoop. Yeah, see, they're really big, even for my hands. I'm an adult, and it's too big for me. It'd be too big for kids. That one's pretty quiet. Not as much wobble, you know. That's not barely any wobble there. And this one, I mean, when you spin it and wobble it, you can hear the play. You can hear. But it is a good spinner if you want to replace the bearings. But $25, it should have better bearings in it, I think. It should have fully ceramic bearings, or at least the ceramic balls that are spaced out with the race in there. You know, like these cheap ones have stainless steel, but it has the race inside, so they're spaced out. I'll see if I can get the cap off that. Let's see. Get the leatherman out. Yeah, if they were spaced out like this, it would have a lot less play. You know, that has no play. But I'd switch the bearings out, but the bearings are a lot bigger in these ones than they are in those. Those are a lot smaller. This is like a skateboard bearing. But yeah, there's barely any play in that. But yeah, it is a good spinner. Thanks for watching.